All right, manufacturing. In this part of our project, we have our box made out of sheet metal, and it looks really cool, but you notice there's some big gaps all around the edges. We want to make some tabs so that there's an overlap where we could spot weld it, we could pop rivet, we could screw it together, but there's a little overlap just like it is in a cardboard box we went over in class. So for this step, I'm going to add in more flanges. So that's great. It's not a new tool. I'm going to click the inner side of the tab I just folded up, and oops, going the wrong way. So I'm going to flip the angle. Now you can see there's an overlap there. And since you guys know how to do it, I'm just going to click on another edge too. And you can see I have two flaps folded in. Now, how much do I want to go into my box? An inch is probably a little bit too much. I don't really need an inch. So maybe 0.75, 3/4 of an inch. And then do a green check. Now let's do the same thing very quickly on the other side. So I'm going to say, get a nice view using my arrow keys. All right, I can see both edges. Flange, click on that corner. Ooh, flip the angle. Click on this corner. That's the right angle. We'll do 0.75, enter, green check. And now if I just hover over my view cube or use my arrow keys and rotate around, you can see the whole thing is folding together. There's a little hole in the corner. It's kind of exaggerated on the computer model, but you will have a little tiny hole in the corner where everything's folding up. That's just the nature of a sheet metal part.